Marble floor cleaning tips every homeowner should know. Dear friends, marble floors can make any home look elegant and luxurious. But without proper care, they can quickly lose their shine and develop stains or scratches. The good news is that a few simple cleaning habits can keep your marble floors looking beautiful for years. Start by sweeping or dusting the floor daily. Small dirt particles may look harmless, but they can scratch the marble surface over time. Using a soft broom or microfiber mop is the safest option for regular cleaning. Always use a pH-neutral cleaner made for marble surfaces. Harsh chemicals like vinegar, bleach, or lemon-based cleaners can damage the marble and leave dull marks. Warm water and a gentle marble cleaner work best. Wipe spills immediately, especially coffee, juice, oil, or wine. Marble is porous, which means it can absorb liquids quickly and develop permanent stains if not cleaned right away. Avoid dragging heavy furniture across marble floors. Use protective pads under chairs and tables to prevent scratches and cracks. Simple precautions can help maintain the smooth finish of the flooring. For extra shine, dry the floor with a soft microfiber cloth after mopping. This helps avoid water spots and keeps the surface glossy and fresh. With regular care and the right cleaning methods, your marble floors can stay stunning, clean, and timeless for many years. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.